Hello again and welcome to the final video. Suzuki DR125, it's done. It passed its MOT and today we're going to take it for a test ride. And I just wanted to show you what I've done recently. So didn't get a chance to record everything properly. To be honest with you, I struggled quite a lot sometimes, so there was no point of recording and my mistakes all over and all over again. But I will just take you through what I've done. So I managed to get rid of some rust on the forks, so I polished them, I cleaned them as much as I could. That took me a couple of hours to reassemble everything and put it back together. I've replaced speedo cable because this one was broken. As you noticed in the first video, there was no headlight. So we got a new headlight, new indicators. We've got a speedo cable now. All works fine, indicators at the back, at the front. We've got a new chain. I still got front sprocket, the new front sprocket with me. However, this one was still in good shape and the rear sprocket as well, so I decided not to change it. I will just give it to the next owner. As you can tell, bike is clean. The main issue I've had was delaying me. It was the swing arm. The bike had a problem. I wasn't sure what was that to start with, but once I took it off, I realized that was the linkage problem. So I had to order one off eBay. It's not easy to get. I got the linkage from Greece actually, so it took over a week to arrive, but we replaced it and now suspension is working absolutely fine. The bike is spot on and I think we should take it for the test ride. So how about I'll start it now for you so you can hear it. So haven't got much petrol in it, but let's put the choke and just start the bike. There she is, properly, no problems. Check this out. It's a decent machine now. Decent machine. I think we need to take it for a spin, so let's do it. That was fun. Obviously it's only 125, but yeah, bike works fine, all the gears going smoothly. I really like it. I think that's going to be a really nice 125 starter bike for anyone who's going to buy it. So I'm just going to sell it now, and if you want I can do the roundup of all the costs and if I made any money off the flip. I haven't done it for the money, but if you're interested, just let me know in the comments and I'll do a separate video. Thank you for watching, take care.